In this video, I will show you how to remove background pictures from your photo. First, go to Google Chrome and type Photopea. Click on the first link, and once you are on this page, go to File and select the picture from which you want to remove background. In my case, I am removing the background from this chicken. Click on Select All, and as you can see, the picture is selected. Click on Select again, choose Remove Background, and that's it. You can see the background is removed professionally. Now go to File and select Export as PNG to maintain the quality. Thanks for watching.